Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In last video, I have shown you how we can work on the string actions, and now in today's video, I am going to show you how we can work on the numbers. So let me go to the actions and search for number. Expand this number. Let's start with the assign in the similar way that we have done for the string. I'm going to assign some number to it. Then I will create a new variable. Now let me print this value when I have assigned 10 value to this number. Let me show that in the message box. It is showing 10 value. Now what we will do, we will going to decrement this value. Now to decrement this value, we have to first provide a variable name. So in int result, I am storing 10 here on step number 1. I want to decrease this value by 1, and then I want to store the result into the same variable. So now the output should be 9. So here basically it is subtracting one value. Now for increment, let me remove this and put an increment here. For increment, the same thing. It will going to increase number by this value. So if I'm passing, let's say I'm passing 2 here, and in result I have assigned 10 value. So the output should be 12 in this case. Okay. Now there are some situations in the loop where we can utilize this increment and decrement. For example, let's assume you are working on the Excel file. Okay, in the loop you want to update a certain rows. So for that you can utilize this value. So we can assign a value as a 1, and then we can increase by 1 every time, so that the bot will going to update the value on the respective rows. So we can see this particular increment at many places when we start working on the loop part. So for now, just understand how we can increment the particular variable value. Okay, now let's see what is random. Now random number is something, let's assume you want a random number to be generated automatically, and you want it should be generated from 100 to 999. So between this, it will going to give you some number. Okay, it will give you some random number. Now if I run the bot, now you see it's 318. Now if I stop this and run it again, there will be another number. Now it is showing 503. So whenever I'm running the bot, it automatically generates a number between the 100 and 999. Now dot what is this to string basically? So let's assume this is your number, and I want to convert this number to string, and so that I can show it into the message box. So you see in the message box, I am writing int result dot number, means I'm converting this number to a string. but I don't want to do this. I want that it should be printed with the help of string variable. So what I will do, I will enter a number here. So this is my number which is coming into int result, which is 10, and I'm storing into another variable which is a string variable. I will name it as str result. Okay, now what I will do, I'm going to remove this and we're going to refer this str result. Now you see in the insert value panel this str result is available, but integer value is not, basically, but integer not the value but integer variable, it's not reflecting here. So if when integer variable is not reflecting here, what how we have to write it, we have to write dollar sign and then write down the variable name int result, and then what we do dot to string to convert this to string. This is how we are doing. But now as I am already having this int result value into some other variable which is str result, I can utilize this directly like this. Okay, now no, I don't need any conversion because it's a string value now. So the message box will be is printing 10 value. I hope this video is helpful for you to understand the number. In the next video we will going to see something new. So thanks for watching my video and have a great day.